It's raining. Let's go for a drive. Sometimes it's nice. Everybody get your seatbelts on? Alright. We got our lights on. We got our windshield wipers on. And we're on a back road, so it's okay if we turn off our windshield wipers if we want to be able to see the rain. And we can sing the Rain Rain song. Ready? It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He bumped his head and he went to bed. He couldn't get up in the morning. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. All the children want to play. Rain, rain, go away. I love being in the car when it's raining. It just sounds so nice on the metal roof. Or even if you're in your house and you can hear it on your roof. This is one of my favorite streets because it's a back road, and I think it used to be a main road, and they made a different main road that was more direct, so this one's left over for us if we want to go for a ride in the rain. Want to sing the song again? It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He bumped his head and he went to bed and he couldn't get up in the morning. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. All the children want to play. Rain, rain, go away. We don't really want the rain to go away because, well, we might to go outside and play, but we have the rain so that the plants grow. So it is a good thing, and it does sound nice sometimes, and you can cuddle up in your house or your car. And you could even maybe read a book. Get all cozy. If you have a stuffed animal, you get cozy up with your stuffy. And that'd be a nice thing to do. Let's just listen for a moment. Have a nice rain day.